I bought 10 of the most popular electric bikes on Amazon right now, and one of them nearly left me stranded. First up, the ANCHEER 26-inch. It's built with full suspension and a compliant frame, so it soaks up rough pavement better than I expected. The 749W peak motor gets you up moderate hills without much strain. My one gripe: assembly took longer than advertised. For the price point, though, it's a solid daily commuter. Worth it if you want comfort over raw power. The EB5 Ultra is the powerhouse of this list, 2500W peak and a massive 1040Wh removable battery. It chewed through hills that made other bikes struggle. It's heavier than most here, so it's not the easiest to carry upstairs. If range and power are your priority, this is the one to beat. The Jetson Bolt is built for portability, throttle control, foot pegs, and it folds down small enough to fit in a car trunk or closet. It's noticeably lighter duty than the others on this list, so don't expect long-range commuting. Great pick if you want something compact for short trips. Heybike's Mars line is UL 2849 certified for battery safety, and it's rated for over 70 miles of range, the longest on this list. It still folds down for storage, which is impressive given that range. The trade-off is a higher price point than the budget picks here. If range and safety certification matter most, this is a strong contender. The TotGuard is a compact 20-inch fat tire build with a 500W brushless motor and a removable battery. It's rated up to 19.8 miles per hour, which felt accurate on flat ground. It's the smallest wheeled bike here, so taller riders may feel cramped. Good budget option for shorter commutes. This is the most powerful bike on the list, 4000W peak with dual motors and hydraulic brakes. It handled steep hills with almost no effort. Honestly, this might be overkill for casual commuters, and it's the heaviest bike here. If you want max power and don't mind the bulk, this is it. The Vivi is a step-through design, which makes getting on and off way easier, especially if you're wearing regular clothes, not riding gear. The removable battery is a nice touch for charging indoors. It's more of a commuter cruiser than a power bike, so don't expect it to tackle steep trails. PASELEC brings full suspension and a wide 27.5 by 3.0 fat tire to the table, with a 1300W peak motor. It handled the gravel stretch on my test route noticeably smoother than the bikes without suspension. This is a heavier, more trail-oriented build, less ideal if you need to carry it often. The ENGWE M23.0 is built specifically for off-road use, with a 3300W motor and cruise control for long stretches. It's genuinely fun on rough terrain, but it's not the bike I'd pick for tight city streets. Turning radius is wide, and it's bulky. This is the pick if trails are your priority. Rounding out the list is the standard Jasion EB5, same lineup as the Ultra, but scaled down to a 1000W peak motor. It's a more affordable entry point if you want the Jasion build quality without paying for the bigger battery. This was my honest, fine, but not exciting pick of the group.
Subscribe.